Greetings. Today we will troubleshoot and fix the issue of the print option not working in MS Excel. Make sure that the desired printer is installed and available. Also, ensure that the printer is not offline. Printer status can also be checked from the control panel's device and printer options. If a printer is not installed, please proceed with the installation process. If your printer is installed, ensure the print spooler service is running. In Windows Services, search for the print spooler. Right-click on it and select Start. The print feature is now functional again. If necessary, please restart the MS Excel.